Integumentary system. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to explore the integumentary system, one of the most important systems in the human body. This system might not get as much attention as the heart or lungs, but it plays a vital role in protecting and maintaining our overall health. What is the integumentary system? The integumentary system is made up of the skin, hair, nails, and several glands. It's essentially the body's outer covering, our first line of defense against the outside world. Think of it as a protective shield that guards your internal organs from injury, harmful microbes, and harmful UV rays from the sun. Let's break down the major functions. Protection. The skin protects against bacteria, viruses, and physical injuries like cuts and scrapes. Temperature regulation. It helps control body temperature through sweating and blood vessel dilation or constriction. Sensation. Your skin contains nerve endings that allow you to feel touch, pain, pressure, and temperature. Excretion. Through sweat glands, the skin helps remove waste products like salts and urea. Vitamin D production. When exposed to sunlight, your skin produces vitamin D, essential for bone health. The skin is composed of three main layers. Epidermis. This is the outermost layer you can see. It provides a waterproof barrier and creates our skin tone. It's made mostly of dead skin cells that constantly shed and renew. Dermis. Located beneath the epidermis, this thicker layer contains blood vessels, hair follicles, sweat glands, nerves, and collagen. It provides strength and flexibility to the skin. Hypodermis. Subcutaneous layer. This deepest layer is made of fat and connective tissue. It cushions and insulates the body. Hair grows from follicles in the dermis and protects the body by trapping dust and particles and helping with temperature regulation. Nails protect the tips of fingers and toes and help with picking up small objects. There are two main types of glands. Sweat glands. These produce sweat to help cool the body. Sebaceous glands. These produce oil, sebum, to keep skin and hair moisturized and prevent drying out. Common problems and care. The integumentary system can experience problems like acne, infections, burns, or skin cancer. It's important to care for your skin by staying hydrated, using sunscreen, keeping skin clean, eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins. The integumentary system protects us, helps regulate body temperature, senses the environment, and even helps produce vitamin D. It's a complex, fascinating system that's essential for survival. Thanks for joining.